Hello, myself Wajhat Ali Fauzdar, and today I am talking about the disinfecting action of liquid and gas chlorine. The disinfecting action of chlorine is the mainly due to the hypochlorous acid and to a small content due to the hypochlorite ions. The hypochlorous acids is the most effective form of chlorine for water disinfection. It is more effective 70 to 80 times than the hypochlorite ions. For liquid actions, water chloride gas C12 is added to the water H20. It hydrolyzes rapidly, produces hypochlorous acid HOCl, and the hydrochlorous acid will dissociates into hydrochloride ions OCl minus and hydrogen ions H plus. Because of hydrogens ions are produced, the water will become more associated and the pH value of the water will decrease suddenly when it will become more acidic gas chlorines is the rapid produced to hypochlorous acids. The molecular chlorine can be carried applied to be treated. It can be liquid or in gaseous forms. Liquid Cl2 is more extensively used. Chlorine and its gaseous forms is a greenish yellow gaseous. It is 2.5 times heavier than the air and slightly suitable in water. The gaseous forms of chlorines are gets converted into liquid forms when subjected to a pressure about 7 kg per centimeter cube. One of the main thing about chlorine is that chlorine neither burns nor explodes, and they are safety starred and steel cylinders and other gases from between formed. Disinfecting liquid is concentrated as antiseptic solutions between bacteria provides against germs which can cause infections and illness. Chlorine gas may be causes disinfections, causes lungs, affects membrane, causes at the nose and throat systems. Hence precautions of the chlorines must be stored properly and carefully and should be carefully handled so as to avoid the leakage, or else it can leads to death. Chlorine is applied to water to be treated through an instrument causes chlorinator. The gaseous forms of chlorine and gets converted into liquid forms. This is called as the disinfecting action of liquid and gas chlorines. Thank you.